Guys, when I tell you we get everything from everywhere, this guy's out of Alabama, 1800 horsepower CTS. You can tell from the back wheels to the front. This was featured on Street Outlaws, pushing 1800 horsepower. Look at that. Then you got a Camaro in here just chilling. Then we got an old school 69 Camaro shining like crazy, as you guys can see. Really beautiful car, 396. Owners had it for 8 years. So we have a 2011 CTS-V.
Yes, sir.
Tell me all about it.
It's got a 388 Sherpa motor built by Butler Performance with Kong 2650 blower, ported Wilkes heads, 6-bolt mains. Got a transmission built by Ace Performance called the Beast with a Circle D triple disc billet converter in it, sitting on Mickey Thompson's.
And what is it pushing? About how much?
About 1900.
And it was on what show?
Street Outlaws.
Street Outlaws.
Yes, sir.
Let me show you guys the car. Check this thing out. You can tell it's ready for business. Drag radials on the back, babies on the front. They'll pop a wheelie with no problems. But let me show you guys the exhaust, what we fixed on it for them. So there's the front of the car right there. There's the long tube headers. It had cracks right here. We fixed it. The flange was rattling and all that. We fixed that for him. And then we tacked everything because he's driving it back to Ohio. So we tacked it and it was missing a clamp there. We fixed that. And then we tacked the rest and got everything lined up for him. And it's got a Corsa Xtreme mufflers on the back. Fully straight pipe with X-pipe and Corsa Xtremes. 1800 horsepower. For your viewing pleasures, guys. And you guys say we don't get cool cars in here. Come on. I don't know. I don't think anybody ever said that. But yeah, if you do like our content, make sure you share it, like it, and all that good stuff. Look on the inside like nothing's going on. Just cars chilling comfortably. Looks like a stock Cadillac CTS. And then you look under the hood. I don't know if we want to look under the hood. Are you guys ready to see the under the hood? Let me show you under the hood. There we go. Look at this beast. Jeez. You guys ready to hear it? Because I know I am. Let's hear this beast start. Here we go. Alabama representing. And he's taking it back to Ohio. So he's driving through to get to Ohio. You can hear it, look. He's not revving it, it's revving itself like that. Wow. This sounds phenomenal. What a 92. We need more of this. Oh my God. Wow. Go ahead and back it out. I'm not going to rev it too much. I'll have to cause the owner rev it later on. And that's when the valves close. The valves are broke on it, or we would do the valve. What a hot! Woo! All of these outside exposure girls. Go ahead. Wow. Look at that cab. That's crazy. All right. El Hashimi Garage. I guess is the one who built it with speed engineering parts and all that good stuff. She sounds so much better. Okay, what's your TikTok?
Gavin Evans.
Gavin Evans.
Yep.
Okay. Look him up because you guys will see a lot of more of his stuff. He's got another car too. He doesn't care. He's trying to give him his receipt. And that's a cool buddy right there. We're waiting with him. We'll do a double drive off. This one and then you're next. All right, here we go. Rev it a few times. I'm gonna have you rev it because we barely revved it. Yeah, that's why we didn't rev it that high. Oh my God, my ears! Who cares? Who needs hearing? Let's see the burnout this thing can do. He just bought it off Facebook Marketplace. It's freaking crazy. We got a crowd too. Here we go. Oh my God. Can you top that? He's like, no. Wow. And hey, you gotta remember, those tires are not even warmed up. If they were warmed up, they grip better. Those Mickeys, they weren't even warmed up.